the bull snake got around his wing, and he's winning.
Keep filming this.
Okay. That is
one of y'all. Let me get this bull snake off of him.
Yeah, he's winning.
Yeah, he is winning. He got it right around his neck and everything.
That hawk's dead.
Yeah, I think the hawk is pretty much terminated. Look how that bull snake has him wrapped up. He is not letting go. Yeah, I think the hawk's still alive, maybe.
Bull snakes.
Well, he's there. Probably have to kill the snake to get the hawk.
The hawk's still alive.
Oh, there he goes. Bull snake is not happy. He just lost a meal. Maybe. Yeah. I don't know that the hawk's gonna make it. He might. Bull snake might go get him again. He may have broke his wing, Scott. I'm just saying. Look, looky there.
Crocodile, Scott.